Hello guys, myself Sanjana here again, and today we will be recording the one and only Panchami vlog. So this is how my hair looks after like a natural blowout dry situation using a hair dryer without styling. I only added serum in my damp hair, but उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है बाल में अभी. It's literally raw में ऐसा दिखता है side से and then front से, and it literally shapes my face without even styling. Exactly my point. Really wanted to do a get ready with me kind of situation, but if you look at me in the morning, no, that's not happening anytime soon. Background mind nahi karega, but this is how I look. This is my makeup. This is one of the first times, or maybe the second time, I am wearing a base of foundation, and I'm really scared, like if it actually matches the shade or not, because I'm very skeptical related to that. And baal ready hai. I'm wearing like a very pretty like clutcher हेयर क्लिप और फिर ये पाकिस्तानी सूट पिंक पिंक क्रॉक्स के साथ. दिस इज़ द बैग. बाय द वे आई एम ऑलरेडी लेट, बट आउटफिट चेक तो बनता है. Well, we are on our way to Sulekha, and from there we'll go to the next destination, like where we want to actually go. We'll be meeting our one more friend who's Shorimi, and then we'll start exploring the pandals and we can continue from there. So for now, you all can just look at my face and smile. Well, this is Shreya. As if they don't know. As if they don't know. Shorts में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. वीडियोस में. कौन सी वीडियो में? Okay, so first ever cameo of Shreya. Not a cameo, but more like she's included in the video. And I'm really happy कि आज मिले हम लोग. मेरा जैसा कपड़ा पहन के आई. कौन? छोटा अटेंशन स्पैन है, माफ कीजिएगा. बट या इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
मेरा नाम श्रेया केशरी है और मैं 12 साल की हूँ.
Guys, I'm not a pedophile. Sorry. We just reached Shorimi's house right now. Hi. And we are here to pick her up, and then we'll leave for the pandal hopping very soon. And today I think we'll be only covering like 3 to 4 or like 5 pandals. The what area?
नागतला area.
Yes, and I will show all videos and whatever I capture, however I capture, I'll be posting everything. So stay tuned. This will be publicly publicized on my YouTube channel.
ना তুমি বলবে নাকি লাস্ট নাকি না চল চুপচাপ শুয়ে থাক সাইডে বললো.
So the first pandal which we entered was the Nagtala Udayan Shangha, and the 2025 theme was Arpan or offering, जिसका मतलब है the sacred transition from Pitru Paksha to Devi Paksha, and the design and the intricacy and the innovative blending of art, tradition and devotion was extremely praised in this particular pandal. And then uske baad we headed towards the Garya Navadurga Puja Pandal, एंड उससे पहले वी टुक सम वीडियोज ऑफ अस बिकॉज मस्ती नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. द 2025 थीम ऑफ दिस पंडाल वॉज होम कमिंग, a homage to traditional art forms and the return of the goddess in her most classic form. This exact focus on heritage and classic beauty created a nostalgic and celebrated experience, especially as it marked the committee's 85th year. And then my best friend nudged me for capturing this video of the spinning wheel, which was the main focus of this pandal. And फिर आया मेरे दिन का most touching moment when my best friend Shreya bought me two balloons, एक हाथी वाला and एक unicorn वाला, and then she scolded me because she knew by the end of the day वो दोनों balloon उसके हाथ में जाने वाला है. Can you all see how happy I was though? Exactly. Guys, you all won't believe what I have to show you all. दिखाओ हाथी वाला balloon. श्रेया got me a हाथी वाला balloon. It's around 5:30 now and I will have to leave for home soon because आज मेरी sisters का program है and they need me and I want to be there present and record their videos and all that. You know, basic elder sister duties. And other than that, we visited 4 pandals so far. उसमें से 2 बड़े वाले थे, which was Nagtala, Udayan Shangha and Navadurga. And most probably we are going to see the Panchadurga next, and after that maybe home. Then at the end of the day we entered our last pandal, which was Gariya's Panchadurga Puja Pandal, जिसका theme भी अर्पण और offering था, same as the previous one, but the traditional style Durga idol, which is a common aspect of local community pujas, was appreciated here, and the overall design was praised for its vibrant and harmonious use of colors and artistic lighting, which created a visually striking and devotional atmosphere for the visitors. मेरे लिए the most striking element was the serene blue lighting behind every statue, creating a truly divine and peaceful ambience.